What's up, YouTubers? Got a quick update and a quick tip. That right there behind me is my little camera setup, and I also got one on the phone right now, and it's a quick release, and it makes for easy swap from the tripod over to the camera, and then tripod over to the iPhone. And I was gonna let you guys check it out, and I'll show you how it works. Yeah, I had to take this off my phone. It's so dang humid out here. It was giving everything a kind of a blurry fit. It's good. It's a lot better than the other one I had, but I don't know if you can tell. You can see kind of a haze on it already with it off. But anyway, yeah, I got this from Amazon, and I was going to show you guys how this works. It's pretty cool. So this is the lock and the unlock, and once I bolt all this together, I'll show you. But you push it in to release it, and this is the top that bolts to your camera, and this is the bottom, or vice versa. It don't really matter. But like this one don't have a screw, so this is going to be the bottom, and this will be on the top. But anyway, so you push it in to release it, and it don't matter which side it goes on, and you slide it in there and push it in, and it locks it in place. And then you can also double lock it. Once you pull it out and turn it, you press it in and slide it right off. So I'll show you. This is the one I have on my phone. It spreads open, and get it started and locked down. Put this on right quick. Kind of center it, and then this part has these little screws in the back, so it don't slide all the way off. So like this is gonna be the front. You slide it on there, you press it and lock it, and then you turn, and that like a double insurance lock. So that's not too bad. And this is the one that's on my camera right here. I can't really do it one-handed, but you push it in, and then I'll close this before I break it. And it slides right off, and then you go back with it the same way. You gotta, I know it's kind of hard to see with me holding the camera, but that's how it goes. Quick Tuesday tip for today, and then I got another quick Tuesday tip I'm going to show you guys here in a little bit, so stay tuned. After this video, I'm going to have a video on that beast, on what I'm fixing to do to it. I got to tell you guys, I got my shirts in, and I got a different style, and it's got the flags on the side. Woohoo! We got some shop stuff.